Changes in weather happen all the time, but weather and climate are not the same thing. Weather is the day-to-day change in temperature and precipitation in a place. Climate, on the other hand, is the usual weather in a place over a long period of time. The environmental issue we chose to tackle is about climate change.
Global warming of 1.1 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels caused by over a century of burning fossil fuels in unequal, unsustainable energy and land use. This has led to an increase in the frequency and intensity of extreme weather events which have caused a dangerous impact on nature and people worldwide.
The objectives of this presentation is to reduce the risk and vulnerability to climate change, strengthen resilience, enhance well-being, and the capacity to anticipate and respond successfully to change.
Climate change refers to long-term change weather pattern such as heat toward warmer, wetter, or drier conditions occurring over decades or more.
As greenhouse gas emissions surround the Earth, they trap heat from the sun, causing global warming and driving climate change. The planet is now warming at an unprecedented rate, faster than at any time in recorded history. Over time, rising temperatures are altering weather patterns and disturbing the natural balance of ecosystems.
Climate change affects the environment in many different ways, including rising temperature, sea level rise, drought, flooding, and more. These events affect things that we depend upon and value, like water, energy, transportation, wildlife, agriculture, ecosystem, and human health.
Renewable energy sources, which are available in abundance all around us, provided by the sun, wind, water, waste, and heat from the sun, are replenished by nature and emit little to no greenhouse gases or pollutants into the air. Humans, animals, and plants all suffer from land and water contaminated by improperly discarded garbage. Use what you need, and when you have to throw something out, dispose of it properly, and educate others to do the same. Electronics, clothes, plastics, and other items we buy cause carbon emissions at each point in production, from the extraction of raw materials to manufacturing and transporting goods to market. To protect the climate, buy fewer things, shop secondhand, and repair what you can. The world's roadways are clogged with vehicles, most of them burning diesel or gasoline. Walking or riding a bike instead of driving will reduce greenhouse gas emissions and help your health and fitness. When food rots in a landfill, it produces methane, a powerful greenhouse gas. So purchase only what you need, use what you buy, and compose any leftovers.